So because I saw her clean so many in my life, every spring in April month, there'd be a lot of sealskins in my house. They'd be hung up over every door, everything would be covered in seal grease, and that was our life back then. So now all I have to do is close my eyes and I can see her doing it. And that's how I know how to do it. Because I watched her for so many years cleaning sealskins, I learned from her by watching. Anybody know what this is called?
No.
Anybody?
No.
No? It's called an ulu, yeah. So it's the knife that I use to clean the sealskin. Also can be used for cutting meat or anything. So when you fry out the pork, you get a lot of grease and you get the little tiny chunks of pork. So after I rendered it down, this is what I got from it. It's from the fat, rendered down. And I don't know much about it. I'm learning about it. They're having pitsik, which is dried fish or dried meat, and also kwak, which is frozen meat, or if they had dried meat, they would use it as a dip. So their meat or fish, they would dip in it, same as you would use any kind of a dip. Also, a lot of people said that they use that oil for making donuts, like Elizabeth, like your donuts, donuts. Use the fat to deep fry the donuts in.